Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video I will be making this rich Jamaican chicken foot and pumpkin soup. Now let's cook. So guys, to break down the ingredients, we have chicken foot and mixed parts. Also we have pumpkin, scallion, thyme and pepper. I also have one large potato. I have 3 corns, my yam, dasheen, chocho. I also have my cock soup, my grace cock soup. And there I have my carrots, 2 large carrots and 4 stalks of celery. And those are my ingredients for my soup. Well, included water, of course. So guys, I'm just gonna add my pumpkin to my soup just so that it can cook out. I'm also going to add the chicken. So now I'm just gonna bring this to a boil until the pumpkin is cooked out, and that's gonna take about 20 to 30 minutes. So guys, here you have it. Our pumpkin is all the way cooked through. Now I'm going to add my ground provision, which include my yam, my dasheen, and yeah. Okay guys, but before I do that, I'm just going to make my dumplings. The dumplings practically flour, salt, water and cornmeal, and you're just going to mix that until it forms a dough. You're going to shape it like a disc, or you guys can even roll it. Yeah, making some spinners, but I'm going to be forming mine in a small tiny discs like those. Then now we'll be adding our ground provision, which includes our yam and dasheen. Now I'm going to stir that for a little bit, then I'm going to cover that and leave it to cook for another 20 minutes. Add a little bit more water. And cover it. Guys, it's that time to add our veggies, which include our celery, our carrot, our potatoes and corn. Now I'm gonna have to change the pot because, as you can see, a lot of things are overflowing. So yeah, so just give it a quick stir. And as I said guys, I know it's overcrowded, but I will be changing the pot soon. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna season it. Then the next clip you guys will see is I changed the pot. So I'm gonna be season mine, flavoring it with the grace cock soup. And this is the spicy one. I'm practically using the spicy and the regular. So guys, as you can see, I went ahead and changed the pot and your soup is bubbling, honey. Bubble like soup, it's a bubble like. Okay, so it's bubbling. Okay, I'm giving it a quick stir. Yes, smell good, taste good, look good. Yes, everything is just perfect, honey, perfect. But anyways guys, this is finished. Our soup is all the way done. Now I'm gonna be plating it and you guys will see the finished product. And guys, this is a finished product. Okay, it smells so good guys, and I promise you it tastes as it looks. It was so rich guys. I thank you so much for supporting me. I love you guys so much for watching guys, so much. And I thank you so much for subscribing to watch this video or even clicking to watch this video. Okay, I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.